Hi everybody, it's Courtney here and I am the agency deputy lead here at Into Profits. So here in the agency, we do two main things. First, we manage ads. Second, we optimize listings or content for 6, 7 figure business sellers on Amazon to help boost their sales and profits. So for this specific video, I will be guiding you through Amazon attribution. So if you are running ads outside Amazon, or like external marketing, this would be really helpful for you to determine which campaigns are working or not. So what is Amazon attribution? So this is a free analytics tool for brand registered sellers and vendors. So it shows you how your non-Amazon marketing efforts like Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, email campaigns, or even blog links can impact the shopping behavior on Amazon. So you can check out who clicked or what specific products that they viewed. So you can also identify whether they actually purchased or not. So why is this a game changer? So with attribution, you can just stop guessing and start optimizing your campaigns. You can know which channels drive the most traffic. You can see which creatives convert the best. And also, you can allocate your budget with data and not just guessing. So it's all about better ROI and more informed marketing decisions. So how do we use the Amazon attribution? I will guide you through it. No worries about that. So it's under the Amazon advertising. So the campaigns manager. So you will be seeing it in here, measurement and reporting, and then click Amazon attribution. And you can just start creating campaigns. So if you click create campaign in here, you can just either create it manually or upload a file to create it in bulk. So for now, we can just start to create it manually. So you can type your campaign name in here and external ID. So this is optional. This is just an identifier. And then you can just select your products in here and then create ad group. So you might want to create a unique tag so you can easily identify which is which. And you can also select the publisher in here already. You can put the Facebook, for example, and then also channel like social. And then you can enter the Amazon click-through URL in here. So the URL that you want to use, and then just add new ad group. So it's as easy as that. And it's really helpful if you have lots of external traffic and or external campaigns from Amazon. So if you have any further questions, if you want us to help you through this, just feel free to comment down below. And aside from that, we can also check out your content or your ads and help you optimize it. We can create a free audit just for you so we can help you and your brand. All right. So if there's any concerns, just feel free to let us know. And don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.